This video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at how you can perform a factory reset on the SE-S10 register. Now at this level of machine there's no complicated reset to do. The process is simply to remove the batteries if loaded and then disconnect the machine from the mains. So I'll now show you how to do this. Unplug it from the mains first of all. See, the power's gone off because the display's gone, and then if you've got the memory protection batteries loaded, you need to remove those. So the spool needs to come out the way, and then the batteries are located underneath where the spool normally sits. You lift off the battery cover. The batteries basically back up the memory, so if the machine's disconnected from the power, they're what saved your programming and your sales data. Once you've removed the batteries, you can plug the machine back into the mains, and the machine will come up, if the resets work correctly, the machine will come up with flashing 0 and then the language settings. So I'm going to go through the basic setup of the machine. So you could now choose the language by pressing for English 0 and then the CA amount 10 button. The next option that then comes up is entering the date. So it's 2 digits for day, 2 digits for month and 2 digits for year. So for the 2nd of January it would be 02, 01 and then the last 2 digits of the year, 19. You then enter the time, go for midday. Be careful that the paper doesn't loop back, but that's it now done. So you would now pop in your batteries to get rid of the L message. If you don't put the batteries in, then next time you turn it off you'll have to go through that setting up the date, time and language setting again. You then replace the battery cover, and then also you'll need to pop back on the printer cover as well. If you're having it in receipt mode, you obviously feed the receipt through there. Press clear and the L will go, and the machine's now ready, set back to 0. The only programming on it is the language and then the date and time. For more information on using the SE-S10 and other Casio cash registers, please visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.